Daniel Revilla, Mayor, City Government of Bacoor, Province of Cavite.
Marami pong salamat sa ating pong organizers ng Super Brands Marketing International, ang Most Outstanding Mayor Award ng 2017, to a good friend, Mr. Harry Tambuatco, sir, to Mr. Carl Stewart McLean, Chairman of SMI, to all the people behind Super Brands Marketing, good morning, and to my fellow awardees, to all public servants and guests, magandang tanghali po sa ating lahat. Buong kagalakan ko pong hinahandog at taus-puso kong tinatanggap ang award na ito. Actually, suki na ho yata ako ng Super Brands because I have received 5 awards when I was Congresswoman, and now this is my first award as Mayor. Siguro ito po yung pagpapatunay lamang na I made the right decision in leaving the comforts of home and being a mother and an actress, and now am a public servant for the past 7 going on to my first term as Mayor. So aabot po tayo ng 9 years. Second, this is also one way of God proving to me that despite of all the challenges in life, both personal and both professional, nandito siya at gumagabay po sa akin sa lahat po ng pagtatrabaho ko. And third, awards like this remind me how small and insignificant I am really in the general scheme of things, because these awards do not really belong to me. I am just a caretaker. These awards belong to the people of Bacoor City. Inihahandog ko po ito sa kanila. They are the reason why I am here right now receiving this award, and they are my source of strength in times when I am sad and when I am tired. Sila po ang nagbibigay ng ngiti sa aking puso at sa aking mukha, dahil sila po ang inspirasyon ko sa pagtanggap ng award na ito. I offer this award to my family, to my children, most especially to Senator Bong Revilla, who is my greatest critic, my greatest inspiration in giving public service. Maraming salamat sa kanila. And of course, this is also to my barangay captains, my department heads, unit heads, my staff, and to all who have continuously believed in me despite of all the problems that I have personally. All of these, you are my inspiration in receiving this award. Maraming salamat.